our stop time for tonight, replicating fonts to RSI Demo Maker. Hey guys, this is Yomarumon and welcome to Stop Time. Today we will do to make happier fonts by replicating fonts for RSI Demo Maker. But before that, please make sure to subscribe to our channel when we post new videos for more trainings and discoveries and more activities in the future. So, how do you know to replicate fonts for RSI Demo Maker? If you made a font letterings through the image content, these fonts are more than hundreds of years made of our history in the greatest typography fonts. If people discover more fonts will be collage inside the image font, and it's just a few manipulations for this case. These things will keep in as your bitmap image file and interchanging to IFF file creates your own from Microsoft Windows, and it will be transferred and ported to Amiga PC. So how do people know the advanced thinking when you create them? And who inspired by people making a Cara fonts from Amiga and think about helping to solve a mystery problems to know with. Now, let's see the walk through the app of Limbo PC Emulator and UAE for ARM and how to use it on your phone or tablet. And I need of those 98 parts of instructions that I made in this topic for discussion. So this will be placed into the description area when you watch videos, including the timestamps of our sequence event. So you don't forget that. If you don't miss all parts of the instructions of this video, please repeat. Please repeat the video anytime you just need. Okay, friendships, bring out your phones or tablet. So let's get started, and without further ado, let's move on to the video and let's replicate fonts by using a RSI Demo Maker from Windows and import it to Amiga PC. On your phone or tablet, go to Google Chrome or a browser. Search Limbo PC Emulator app. Next, tap the link titled to associated Android-apk.org. Please wait for a few seconds. Click download button to get a file from android-apk.org. And your download is being ready. It will be saved at downloads folder. Download all of these stuffs for the following: RGB PGF.IFF for deepening your colored fonts in IFF file, so you know how to precise the mouse and it turns to upper left corner from 0. FontHack.img. It contains 64 megabyte hard drive, contains files are built into Windows 95, including hits view and excludes blank font. .iff inside the pick view folder, and Amiga HD.zip, a digital hard drive directory for UAE for ARM app. Next up, go to Google Play Store, then install 3 apps for the following: the Archiver, Hacker Keyboard, and UAE for ARM. Let's watch as it follows. Next, open the Zip Archiver app. On your Downloads folder, first is installed to Limbo PC Emulator app which is the app downloaded from apppure.com and in other websites when you download the app from Android. Next, extract from Amiga HD.zip. I copy the folder named DH0. Then paste it to entire directory of your SD card or internal storage or external storage. Move your file name fonthack.img to your entire directory of your SD card or external storage or internal storage. Move your file name rgbbgf.iff to your directory is /dh0/files. The next thing you need when you download the fonts, which is your favorite, and decorative or handwriting to support that. Go to browser or Google Chrome. Then type the website is onlinewebfonts.com, which is the best way to search the font keyword of these TrueType fonts or PostScript or OpenType. Search the font keyword you want to desire. For example, when you type this. Click the thumbnail selected of any font variants compatible from Microsoft Windows 3.1, 95, 98, ME, and the new technology. Scroll down to download buttons to considering the link mirror downloads. Then save it to your downloads directory or folder. Extract the zip file to tap extract file within the archive name. On your entire directory, create the folder named VVFAT, which is the virtual drive as external drive. Then, move your font file from folder name of your font in further inside to your directory VVFAT. Next, open the Hacker's Keyboard app and read instructions that help to enable Hacker's Keyboard as it follows. Please follow the following steps to activate it. Add the keyboard to the system's input method. Add the keyboard to the system's input method list. Open the system input settings configuration by pressing the Enable Keyboard button above. Find Hacker's Keyboard in the input method list. Tap the check mark to switch it on. Acknowledge the warning shown by the system. The system always shows this message when enabling a third-party input method. Press the back button to return to this page. Choose the currently active input method. Press the Set Input Method button above. Select Hacker's Keyboard from the list. Download your Kickstart version of Amiga 500 at the Amiga Museum Titan from the website in French. Next, open the UAE4 ARM app, then make your settings as it follows on the screen. Next, open the Nimble PC emulator, then make your settings to prepare, and start emulation as it follows. At the Windows 95 on Limbo PC emulator, open the My Computer by left-click the icon. Browse and access the external hard drive D. Then select all files in Font items. Right-click, then copy. Next, open the Fonts folder at your desktop. Right-click, then paste. Next, open the bitmap image file in read-only attributes is blackfont.pm. Then start at the Windows pane. Use texting tool, then select the text areas at your different position. Make sure too much spaces. Select the font and font size to fit over 30 plus points. Then type the keyboard to put punctuations, numbers, and letters. If the letter Q and W doesn't fit in any font variants, decrease your font size in a little bit, which is a fewer in negative points. If any characters doesn't fit of your font variants, decrease it into few negative points. And when it's done typing, move your font letterings into your correct order of your character markings. Next, save your file as your directory of your choice. Put the file name within 8 characters in all capital letters in MS-DOS mode. Next, open the Pick View app for your imaging tools. Select on your highlight choice of your image file. Press F2 key to control and select IFF format image. And then delete your original file as PMP. Then Escape button. After that, go to the directory of local disk C /picked view. Select the image file that you picked. Right-click, then copy, then paste into external drive D. And when it's done, please shut down the PC emulator when you use it later to make your work for 7 days. Next time, on your directory of VVFAT, delete all necessary files as TrueType fonts except IFF to uncheck that one. Pick one file and hold to move the directory to /th0/files. Open the UAE4 ARM app. Load your configuration file and restart. Double-click the icon of Amiga's internal drive and then open Amiga shell. On your DOS command, please open the app of the LUX3 by typing it for the following: th0 program files or prog files /dpaint/epaint. Select the resolution screen to low resolution by 320 by 200 and set NTSC. Load your IFF file located at the D80 files and load or import it. Reminders: if your IFF file is bad forming, the error like bugs, Please make your way to think about to revising the image file. So all you need to take a hint. Go to the Archiver app, find the IFF image file to th0/files, then move back to directory of your external storage /bvfat. Go back to the step number 21. At the Windows 95 on Limbo PC emulator, double tap the icon of your My computer and browse to access the external storage key. Tap one file, right-click the icon using down volume button on your phone or tablet and select Copy, and paste to the directory to C:\PicView. Next, go to PicView app and convert back to PNP image file. Go to Windows Paint and open the file as directory to find located C:\PicView. Recorrect the font letterings and bearings by repeating back to number 26 and 29. You can fix font bearings inside the square area of a font within more than or less than 30 minutes. Then save a file as you wish. Repeat as the same as number 32 to 34. Next, leave the IFF file on your directory of PicView folder for a few minutes and then repeat as the same as number 37. Go to the Archiver app on your directory of /bvfat. Move your file to th0/files. Next, repeat as the same as number 40 to 44. Set the color palette to black and use bucket tools on Deluxe Paint. Press F10 key to ease or lifting the menu and painting tools. Then, clear the blue border lines. And then you go back, press F10 key to unease the menu and painting tools. Next, right-click or double-finger tap the icon of square filler and set the fill type to tint. Spread the color stop lines as a gradient except one at the upper left corner. Next, right-click or double-finger tip the icon of the square filler and set back the fill type to solid. Next, use Move Requester instead of copying. Right-click to double-finger tap to set the color palette is yellow. At the number 67, repeat back to step 59. And select the highlighting areas of the picture to copy. And repeat back to step number 61. Load the picture to th0:files/rgbpgf.iff and slowly to place the image to deep font all font letterings to precise them. Press letter B key on your virtual keyboard to use Move Requester and repeat back to step number 67 as the same. Repeat back to step number 61. Load the picture to th0:files/ to your file name as your font title. Erase or remove the color stop lines as a gradient using the line, filler, or a paintbrush. After that, save and overwriting fonts. For your file, go to browser or Google Chrome. Search IFF converter, Alcatraz, and keyframes if you don't have one to use any software from Commodore Amiga 500. Then select the highlight of your choice by clicking the link to janeway.exotica.org.uk. On the web page of Kessler Bitworld, scroll down and see the download information, then click the blue link to get a file. And go to web page at amigamuseum.mu.france.info, located at the ADM section, which are the old Amiga software available to download. Scroll down to see Red Sector Demo Maker 1.0 or Red Sector Demo Maker 1.1 to download a file, which is your choice. At the Downloads folder, your file Alcatraz and keyframes iffcon135.bin should be renaming to your file extension from bin to tms. Select all files from Downloads folder to move the directory to Android/data/your app from UAA4 ARM/files. If optionally need, create the directory name software. Then go back to the UAE4 ARM app. Then load the configuration file. Then tap the floppy drives at the left corner of a tree. Import the floppy disk by tapping triple period button. Unselect the file, Alcatraz in keyframes iffcon135.ems. Then start. When the screen appears to reveal the software, as for that, change directory from df0 to dh0. Then tap Read dir or directory. Then select Files from directory and select your IFF file that you made and then load. Precise the X and Y position by starting from 0. Don't forget to turn on the control key at the virtual keyboard. So this place, virtual keyboard is located to tap at the top left corner. Tap and hold mouse and select the areas to crop the picture. To post cropping, press any key on your virtual keyboard and press down. Hold the mouse continuously and release the mouse to stop position to 320 by 192. Then select the file to overwrite the old file and save file. Then press F12 to go back to UAE4 ARM app settings. The next thing, press eject button of your floppy disk and changing by tap the triple period button and select the file Red Sector Demo Maker 1.0 and then reset the emulator. Now, at the RSI Demo Maker, import the 32-point fonts to your directory, located at dh0, files, and select IFF file as your font that you want. Then go to the pattern editor. Insert pattern of screen mode, followed by the text scroller 32. And make your pattern settings that you like for. Next, scroll down to Scroll Text button by editing the text. Remember, your keyboard must be customized lettering position. At the center corner of the keypad is Y is instead of Z, and the bottom left corner of the keypad is Z instead of Y. Type your text that you click for and test your demo. After that, exit the UAA4 ARM app and go to the Z-Archiver app. Locate the directory of external storage /Android/data/your app of UAA4 ARM /files/black and grab a copy of mt1.adf file to Android/data/your app/files/software, or you leave this entirely. Next, rename your file from mt1.adf, then type your file name within 3 characters of your initials as your name, plus underscore, and your font name. Then, number 95, repeat as the same as the step number 82. And then start emulating. Move your mouse and tap the icon of your disk and initialize your disk for a few seconds. Open the DH0 icon and Amiga shell. Then type for the following: copy space df0 files/your file name space df0 and hit enter. Once you're done copying, press F12 key and eject the floppy disk. Now you can enjoy fonts, so you may finish it to take a work. So first is Limbo PC emulator, then you finish all 27 fonts, and includes UAE4 ARM app. So this will made for 1 week or 7 days. But wait, there's more. There are the additional fonts that replicated from Microsoft Windows. Gradient image must be in linear downwards only. Any color you like to make 15 lines. No outlines and shadows effects. Try it and see what's its imaginables, such like classic. Download of these floppy disk of grad fonts for RSI Demo Maker 1 to 5, which is a part of this series from Commodore Amiga 500 and other model variants. Available on public domain release in 9th day of November 2020. Link in description below. Hope you guys enjoyed for this video that I made stocks. Be sure to comment down below if you need questions and answer us to review about the topic or discussion about these fonts. Remember, before you start Amiga PC, make sure to insert floppy disk with labeled RSI Demo Maker and the grad fonts for RSI Demo Maker, and import or load 32-point fonts, all 27 items in one, with over 814 kilobytes. If you need comments or suggestions about this video or program on stock time, please write to us at yomarumondreams, Block 87.1, Pantomina Mayor St, Barangay, Greater Lagro, Novaliches, Quezon City, 1100, or email us at yomarumondreams@hotmail.com. Follow us on our social medias through Facebook and Instagram. And make sure to join us on Discord server, link in the description below. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and giving it a thumbs up. And we shall see you guys next time. Goodbye.